In a ground in a village, an incident occurred. The villagers had no idea what it was, why it happened, how it landed there.
No clue, brother. What is this huge thing? Thank God it didn't crash into our village. Who knows what could have happened? Looks like a meteor has fallen from the sky.
Everyone was watching from a distance. Just then, a curious villager named Ramlal showed up. He really wanted to know what it was, so he walked a bit closer.
Hey, stop! Don't go near that! It could be dangerous. Looks harmless to me. Something definitely happened. It fell here. Well, whatever had to happen already happened.
Everyone tried to stop Ramlal, but he didn't listen. He got closer and started checking things out. Though he didn't understand much, he did find something. A shiny box-like object. It looked beautiful and mysterious. Ramlal brought it home. After coming home, "What have you got?" Ramlal tells his wife everything.
I liked it, so I brought it.
But what is it?
Just a simple box. We can keep stuff in it, that's all.
Why do you always bring home junk? Already have enough useless stuff lying around. Anything you find, you just drag it in.
Relax, dear. Who knows? It might turn out useful someday.
Nothing useful about it. You're just piling up the garbage. Go, throw it out right now. Ramlal stepped out of the house with the box just to keep peace, but he didn't really want to throw it away. So instead, he hid it on his jalebi cart. That evening, he set out to sell his jalebis as usual. After setting up the cart,
Hot jalebis! Fresh jalebis! Come get your crispy sweet jalebis!
that day a lot of people came to his stall.
Pack me half a kilo of jalebis today. Wow, that's a lot. What's the special occasion? Yeah, I have never seen you buy this much before. You guys act like once someone hasn't bought jalebis, they can't never buy them again. You guys are too much. You totally can. Then why are you both staring at me like I am from another planet? We were just curious, wanted to know what the celebration is. Maybe we'll get some sweets too. Nothing much, just got some guests at home who love jalebis. Otherwise, I don't even like them that much. Well, whatever the reason, I'm glad you came today. Yeah, in the end, Ramlal is the real winner. Thanks to you, I ended up buying some too.
After this, a few more customers came to his cart and left. And thereafter, Ramlal wrapped up his stall and started pushing his cart towards the home. Just then, a blinding light started coming out of box.
Whoa, why is it glowing so bright?
He pulled the box out and suddenly it floated into the air and landed right back on the cart. Ramlal couldn't believe his eyes.
What on earth? How is that even possible?
After this, he tries to lift the box again and it suddenly grew larger in size.
Oh God!
He stepped inside the now giant box and instantly it started flying into the sky. Seeing all this, Ramlal gets terrified. He couldn't believe what was actually happening.
What's going on? Is this some kind of dream?
At first, the box flew around wildly, going in all directions. Ramlal screamed in fear. But when he finally instructed the box to fly straight, it started flying smoothly and slowly, and he began to enjoy the ride.
Okay, this is incredible. Good thing I didn't throw it away. Who knows what other secrets it's hiding?
After flying around for a while, Ramlal returned home. He loved the box. Why? Because it was a real flying machine. And from that day on, he would take it out every night for a magical ride. One night, as Ramlal was soaring through the sky,
This flying box is amazing. So fun to ride. If only I had something to eat right now, like ice cream. Ah, that would be perfect.
As soon as he said this, an ice cream appeared in front of him. Seeing this, Ramlal was completely stunned.
No way, this thing is magic.
That night, Ramlal flew through the stars, happily enjoying the ice cream he had ordered. So, Ramlal had found something truly special, which changed his life and destiny forever. But one night, a mysterious stranger approached him.
Hello, Ramlal. How are you? Who are you? And how do you know my name? You have something that belongs to me. What? I don't have anything of yours. Think carefully, Ramlal. I did think. I'm just a humble jalebi seller. If you want jalebis, take some. Otherwise, move along and don't start any drama here.
Ramlal's face tensed up. The stranger said nothing more and quietly walked away. But Ramlal, he understood the warning. Still, he loved his flying machine too much. And now, he was using it to fulfill all his needs. That night,
Today I should get a beautiful sari for my wife. She'll be so happy.
using the magical flying box, Ramlal buys many lovely saris for his wife. When he reaches home,
Look what I brought for you, dear.
Ramlal's wife Payal says, "What useless thing have you dragged home this time?" Ramlal showing his wife the saris.
Oh, really? You think this is junk? Fine, I'll throw it all out.
Seeing the shiny new saris, Payal lights up with joy and she stops him. No, don't throw these. You do throw useful things, but keep the actual junk lying around. What a man.
I was only joking, dear.
Payal was really happy seeing the saris. But where are you getting all this money from lately?
Business has picked up these days. Thought I would bring you a gift. Don't worry, one day I'll fulfill all your dreams.
We'll see. That night, after a hearty meal, Ramlal falls asleep peacefully. Outside, the mysterious man watches everything silently.
The signal is strong here. I was right.
Who was this man? The next day, he comes straight to Ramlal again. And this time, without wandering around, he says bluntly,
Look, my flying box is with you. Hand it over quietly or things won't get well.
Hearing this, Ramlal is shaken.
Flying box? Oh, what are you talking about? The one you fly on every night. I don't know what you are saying. Don't play dumb. I know you do. Tell me the truth. Oh, do one thing. Eat some jalebis. I don't eat jabelis. What do you mean? Just try it once. I bet you'll be hooked. I said no.
The man refuses, but Ramlal keeps on insisting and somehow he makes this man eat jalebi. And the man likes the jalebi too much.
Do you have more of this jabeli? Jalebi. Yes, I want more.
Ramlal quickly hands him a big plate of jalebi. The man starts munching happily, distracted. Ramlal grabs his cart and sneaks away from there. On reaching home,
That was close.
what happened? All okay?
Nothing, just tired.
Don't know what all is happening. That night, Ramlal relaxes. But the next day, the man returns again. This time, Ramlal doesn't want to give up the flying box. So, seeing the man, he steps inside the flying box and takes off. For days, the man chases Ramlal. One day, he finally confronts Ramlal face to face.
Ramlal, please wait. Listen, I found this flying box. I'm not giving it back. Fine. Don't give it back. But at least hear my truth. Go on quickly. I'm about to tell you my biggest secret. What secret? I am not from this world. I am an alien. That strange thing that fell in the field, it was my spaceship. It crashed. I have been stuck here since. That flying box, it's my only hope. With it, I can contact my planet. Oh, is it? Yes.
The man briefly shows Ramlal his real alien form.
My powers are fading. I can't stay in this human form much longer. If I get caught by humans, you know what will happen. I'll be locked up, experimented on, tortured. That's why I told you the truth. The choice is yours now. Do you want me to stay trapped forever here? Ramlal, you are my last hope. Help me.
Hearing this, Ramlal feels terrible.
You are the true owner. I'm sorry. I should have never kept it. Thank you so much, Ramlal. I'll never forget your kindness.
The alien takes the flying box and returns to his planet. Ramlal goes back to his regular life. But one day, while pushing his cart back to home, he noticed a strange light under the cart. On seeing, he finds another glowing box.
Huh? What's this light under the cart? Oh, there's a letter too. You helped me, Ramlal, so I'm sending you a small gift. Use it wisely. Use it for good. And if I ever get the chance, I'd love to meet you again.
Ramlal looks up at the sky, smiling.
Thank you, my friend. When you come, I'll feed you jalebi. Jabeli.
And that's how Ramlal got his flying box back and changed his life for good. From that day on, he began helping others too.